I'm Jeremiah Zimmerman, in charge of the car show committee here at the West End Fair. So we have 17 different classes, ranging anything from new pickups to old trucks, muscle cars, modern production cars, motorcycles, antiques, just to name a few. But yeah, we're here. Didn't know if this show was going to happen. We're maintaining social distancing and everything, master recommended, and but yeah, it's we're spread out very well, and it's a light crowd, but I mean it's a pretty decent turnout. I think we have 65 or 66 cars here this year total. So, but yeah.